I chose Central Penn College because they have a really focused career-centered path. And as an older student, I wanted to fast track my way to the field. And they have great academics and awesome supportive professors. I would absolutely recommend Central Penn to another student. They have fantastic programs, and I felt very supported throughout my entire academic journey. It's also great that I'm able to work on the side while in school, so I can continue growing my professional experience and learning at the same time. Oh my goodness. Well, some of the girls from my cohort, whenever we would have an exam or a competency, we would go out for ice cream or coffee or pizza afterward. And that was always really fun making those friends. Oh, the cohort was an amazing model. Unlike high school where you kind of switched in between with different people and saw a lot of different faces, with the cohort model, we were with the same group of people from beginning to end. We grew together, we learned together, and we grew some hopefully lifelong friendships. And I know I won't forget these people.